Hello students, how are you all? So this is our chapter second of EVS of class 4th, that is my extended family, and this is our part first. So let's start our chapter, that is Sandeep lives in Delhi with his parents and his younger sister. Okay, so here we will tell that Sandeep is living in Delhi with his parents. Is it clear? His father is an engineer. Okay, his father is an engineer and his mother is a homemaker. They are his immediate family. Okay, you all. Okay, I'm explaining you that you are also living with your parents. Okay, and that is your immediate family. Is it clear to everybody? Now, next, Sandeep, your Dadaji and Dadiji are coming on Sunday. Mother informed Sandeep. Okay. Who is telling that mother is telling that to Sandeep that your Dadaji and Dadiji is come on Sunday. Okay. Now, next, Sandeep grandparents live in a village. Sandeep grandparents, that is Dadaji and Dadiji, they are living in village. His uncle, aunt and cousins live in different places. They are a part of Sandeep extended family. Are you understood? Means here is uncle, aunt and cousins. They are living different places. Okay. They are known as extended family. Like your uncle, aunt and your cousins, they are living in different places. That is known as your extended family. They are part, they are a part of your family, but they are extended family, not the immediate family. Immediate family is only your parents. Okay, that you are living with your parents, that is the immediate family. And extended family is that family that your uncle, aunt, they are not living with you, but they are a part of your family. Are you understood, everybody? I hope you all are understood. So now next we will start. The entire family gets to meet only a special occasion. Okay, like in a special occasion, like in Diwali, like celebration. Okay, like marriages, in that time only we meet all together with our family. This one was a special occasion as it was Sandeep grandparents' golden wedding anniversary. Okay, they had completed 15 years in marriage. They were going to celebrate at a grand scale. All his uncles and aunt and cousins were also joining them in celebration. Is it clear to everybody? Means their grandparents having their golden wedding anniversary. Okay, that is the 50th year. They have completed 50 years of marriages. Okay, and they are celebrating at a grand scale, that celebrations. Okay, so here all the uncle and aunt, they are meet together. Okay, is it clear? So their celebration, they are doing celebration over there. Now next is, there is a question for you that write the name of members of your immediate family. So you have to do it yourself, this is your homework. Okay, and you have to write it in your notebook. Is it clear to everybody? Now next is, when the grandparents arrived on Sunday, Sandeep and Suhana were very excited. Means that grandparents, they are living in village and they come Delhi. Okay, for their marriage anniversary, and they both, that is the Suhana and Sandeep, they are very excited to meet his grandparents. Okay, Sandeep could still recall many of the bedtime stories his granny used to tell him. Means bedtime stories that uh, when Sandeep sleep at night, and at that time his that here granny is here Dadi ji tell her story. Okay, is it clear? After freshing up, Granny opened her box of goodies. Sandeep loved her homemade laddus and pickles. Pickles here, that is the achar. We call in Hindi that is the achar. Is it clear to everybody? And they both are loved their homemade laddus. Is it clear to everybody? Now next is, within next 2 days, their house was filled with guests. Okay, guest here that is the mehman. Is it clear? Sandeep could see much change all around him. The house looked uh, lively with gaiety and laughter all around. His granny and aunt together decorated the house with fresh rangoli. Okay, every day. The house was always smelling of goodies being freshly made in the kitchen. Goodies here, that is the laddus and all the sweets. Okay, and within the next 2 days, there was a grand party of that grandparents, that is the 50th anniversary, and there is a lot of guests. Okay, and it is like they are decorated with their rangolis. Okay, every day they are decorated they are decorate the house with rangoli. Is it clear? Now next is, in the evening, grandfather took all the children to a nearby park. Okay, it is near the house there was a park, so grandfather took all the children there, where they played till it was dark. Okay, till it night they are playing there. Okay, grandfather was so much fun as he would relate a true story from his village life to them. Means they are telling true story. Okay, true life story to the children. He laughed them to respect their elders and to respect their motherland. And their grandfather is also telling that we have to respect all the elders. Okay, and we have to respect motherland where we are living. Means you are living in Udaipur. Okay, that is your motherland, so we have to respect our motherland also, and we have to respect our elders also. Is it clear to everybody? He also told them inspiring tales of brave freedom fighters of his time. Okay, first I tell you that what is the meaning of inspiring. Inspiring, they are telling that at brave means strong, and tale here is the stories. Okay, they are telling the stories that the freedom fighters who are fighting. Okay, fight our countries like that. Okay, so they are telling about the freedom fighter. True story they are telling to their children. Is it clear? Now next is, one day, as they were on their way to the park, a black cat crossed their path. Okay, path here, that is the rasta kaat dena. Okay, Sandeep older cousin stopped there and refused to move as they considered it as a bad omen. Okay, first I tell you that what is the meaning of consideration. Consideration, that is to think in deeply. Okay, that is the something we think carefully. Okay, and omen means something bad in future. Something happen bad in future. Okay, so um, Sandeep cousin were stopped there because black cat were crossed their path. Okay, that is why they are stopped. Grandfather laughed, and to show them that is was just a superstition. Cross the road first, nothing happened. Seeing this, everyone followed him. That day, grandfather told them that they should not believe in superstition as they hold no meaning. First, I tell you that what is the meaning of superstition. Superstitions, that is, we have to ignore them. We have to not believe in any of such thing. Means that her cousin is believing that his black cat has crossed the path. So his grandfather is telling that don't believe in any of the such of the thing, but you have to ignore them. Is it clear? And uh, he is telling that see all there was there are many peoples, they are moving here and there. Means they are also not believing in such of them. So you have to ignore them, and as they are, they hold no meaning. Is it clear to everybody? Now next is, that day, Sandeep realized that our home is the first school where we begin our first lesson of life. Family teaches us values which shape our personality. We learned from them about right and wrong, good and bad. Okay, so on that day, Sandeep realized that our home is the first school. That you also realize that you are living with your family, okay, and your house is your first school, okay, and family teaches us good things, right thing also, bad things, everything they are teaches you. Okay, so you have to learn from your family only. Okay, and now there is one question for you. Make a list of 5 things you have learned from your extended family. Okay, so you have to write in your notebook. You have to write 5 points over that in your notebook. Okay, so please you have to do 2 questions in your notebook. So after completing this first half of the chapter, in next video we will complete it our second half of the chapter. Is it clear to everybody? And if you are having any doubt, so you can share your video. Okay, thank you, bye bye.